Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lamar Taylor, and I'm coming to you today as a fan of tech and as the owner of the iPhone Max and Galaxy S10 Plus. This video today will focus on unlocking the Galaxy S10 Plus on the first try every single time. As you see here, if you come in at an angle, your phone will indeed unlock every single time. I also have my thumb registered. If you come in with your finger straight up and down, I've noticed you can press too long or press too hard, and this will trigger a misread. But if you come in like this from the side, you will unlock your phone every single time. Now, I only have my fingerprint registered once. I only have my thumb registered once. Some people have been suggesting you need to register one fingerprint 3 times. That's nonsense, and that's a lie. You can register one fingerprint one time, but you just have to come in at an angle. Hopefully this tip/suggestion will work for you. No bias, no fanboy, no arguing here. Just here to help. Thanks and have a nice day.